Hello everyone, welcome to another episode by ES Repair. I am your host, Mr. Fix-It. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a new software that I've come across and had been asked by the company to show it to you and to do tutorials and stuff with this software. I know everyone has DVDs, and you can't watch DVDs on every single device. Well, this program I'm going to show you will allow you to do so. The program is written by WonderFox Soft Incorporated, and it's called the DVD Ripper. And basically that's what it is. It rips DVDs. It's real easy to use. It's not all very complicated or anything like that. It's a quick 3-step procedure. This program here will only rip DVDs. You can rip them into over 100 different formats. I think the current formats is up to 121, I believe. I could be wrong, but I do know it's over 100. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the software, and I will show you where you can get your copy of the software to try it out for free, and where you can purchase the software. I do have it on my website. I will give you the address to it. But first, let me show you all the things that you can do with this software. Now, it will do any DVD. And it's a good idea to keep this thing updated, because copy protections change from time to time, and the software will update itself to the latest copy protection algorithms that DVDs use. Now, you can do this and put it on your portable PlayStations, your PSP. You can put it on your smartphones like iPhones, things like that. Let me give you an example here. This right here is the front, and this is the screen that you'll come to. You'll see right here where it says Getting Started. It shows you 3 easy clicks. That's all you have to do. You insert your DVD, you load it, choose your combo box, which is right here, your output box. This way you know exactly what format you want it to put it in. And then you get your output folder. This is where it's going to deliver it or save your new format. Now, you can change it if you wish. You can choose what you want the software to do when it's completed. Down here in the bottom, it has additional settings, which you can also use. And what this will do is you can choose what resolution you want it to go in. You can choose the video encoder, the bit rate, the frame rate, what aspect ratio, like 4:3 or 16:9, which is for standard and high definition or widescreen respectively. You can choose your audio settings. You can choose the encoder to use, the bit rate, sample rate, and you can choose on the volume. Other advanced options you have, you could choose PAL, P-A-L, or you could choose NTCS. You can choose if you want subtitles and if you want what language. You could do de-interlace a video, or you can have it merge all the videos on the DVD into one single file, which I'll show you here momentarily. Now, up here you can have options. Here it has a CPU priority. You can choose how much of the CPU the software can use, which here, as you can see, I have it set for the highest. You can choose the sounds for it to play, so you'll know when it's finished. And it will automatically check for updates every single week by default. Now you can also set it if you want to check every day or every month. And this is to ensure that you get the latest updates to the copyright protections. Or you can go ahead and check it now. Now up here you also have the button right here where you can go ahead and check for the latest version. Over here you have the registry. Now you can get the trial version of this program, but it will only allow you to do the first 15 minutes of a video. So it will give you an idea how the software works and shows you the quality of this software, which is really, really good. Now let me go ahead and load. Now you can do a select DVD device, which in this case I only have one. You can choose the folder on the DVD, or you can select a DVD's ISO file, which is the files that's used to burn DVDs. Now I've got a DVD in the drive, and I'm going to go ahead and click load DVD. Here you have your preview screen here. Shows you the hours and minutes of the video, your volume control, your play and stop button. This function here allows you to take a screenshot or the frame shot. Over here you have a list of all the files that's on the drive. It will tell you the source file. It'll tell you the size is unknown, which of course is DVD. It'll tell you the duration, and it will tell you the format of the resolution in the DVD. Over here it'll tell you the destination, the size, the duration, and the resolution that it's going to be in. Currently it's set for MP4. Now you can select all the ones that you want to do, and it will show you each and every one of them. Now the movie is usually the first one that comes up. Now here, as you can see, it shows it that it's 1 hour and 41 minutes 31 seconds. Now once you select the files that you want, you can do them all, or you can just do individuals like I'm going to do here. Next, you can choose the output format. If you click on the arrow here, this will come up, and as you can see, you can choose a wide variety of different formats. You have the AVIs, MP3 or MPGs, MP4s. You got Windows Media Video, MKVs. You got the MOVs, which is quick times. You got digital video, 3GP, which is mobile, and you got the second generation of 3GP. You can also do audio. In other words, you can convert your DVD's audio into standard audio. You can also do high definition. This includes the Blu-ray discs, but you have to have a Blu-ray drive in order to do Blu-ray discs. And you can choose the formats that you want to use. You can do standard DVDs. You can do DVD NTSC. You can do the PALs. You can do video CDs. You can also convert your movies and your videos into Flash, Shockwave, YouTube videos, Facebooks, MySpace, and Yahoos. You can also do Apple phones. All the way from the first iPhones all the way up to iPhone 5s. You can do iPods, the Nanos, Apple TVs. You do have a whole wide range of things that you can format your disc to. here again, you know, you got your Samsungs, your Galaxies, all kinds of Samsung phones, your HTC phones. You can also do Blackberries. You could do, well, get it to go back, your Nokias, your Sonys, and even Microsofts. Now, let me go back over here, and I'm going to choose AVI. Now, as you can see here, the output format is now AVI, which is audio video interleaved. You can see my output folder. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to deselect this, and I'm going to go down here and select a little short one. We'll do this one right here. Now, if you want, you can select the one you're going to check, and then choose play. And it will play that section. As you can see. Now here, as you can see here, this is highlighted now. That means you can take a picture of it. Now if I wanted to, I could stop right here, choose, click the camera. You can choose a JPEG, you can choose BMP, which is a bitmap. You can select an output folder or open an output folder, and then choose the camera, and it will take the picture for you. And then all you have to do is give it the name, and then choose save. Now I've got this one selected. We choose stop. Now I have my output set up for AVI. I'm going to change my output folder. I've got it all videos. Now all you have to do is click start. And then it will beep when it's done. Now let me move this to the bottom for a moment. Now right here, as you've seen this bar go across, it will show you the elapsed time that it took, and it will show the remaining time that it will take. Now it's not exact, but it is an estimate of how long it will take, because it will vary depending on the format that you use. Now, once it's finished, I'm going to choose yes to open up the folder. And as you can see, now I have my new video. As you can see here, I've got this one here, which is done for another video. I was testing this out to see, you know, how the program worked. Now we can click this. And there you go. Now the video is converted. Now, this comes in handy because you can also do this for mobile phones and Kindle Fires, many of these portable devices such as the iPads and other notebooks and stuff. And it comes in handy. I like this software. I do have others I'm going to introduce you to. All you have to do is choose a format. Make sure that the device that you're going to put this on is compatible. You can look these up in your manual, your owner's manual. It will tell you what video formats that it will use. You can tinker with it to kind of see, you know, what you could do, because you can make adjustments if you have to. Another thing you can do is choose Edit with this button up here. When you choose Edit, this allows you to do certain effects to it. You can crop it. You can, you know, change the adjust the brightness, the contrast, your color saturation. You can do special effects like mosaics. You can blur, sharpen the image. You can do embossing, kind of reduce the noise or add some noise to it. You can make it look like an old film. Here, if you play it, it will show you side by side. On the left is the new, and on the right is on the left is the old, the original, and on the right is the new version of it. Now, as you can see, they look the same. Now, if you were to move this over, you can notice how the right looks black and white, and it looks kind of like an old film. Well, that's what these special effects do. And you can do this to any video. You can do red. As you see here, you can remove the red. You can do adjust the green. You can adjust the blue, the blurs. You can adjust how blurry it is. It does have all different kinds of effects that you could perform. You can sharpen it. And then once you're done, you can have it save your file. And that's all you have to do. Now, other things I want to show you is down here. Remember the settings I showed you? Down here, you can do it manually. Now, everything is set for Smart Fit, which is an automatic feature. This will allow the computer or the program to make the automatic adjustments that would best fit the format that you're choosing to use. But it does also give you a choice that you can also change. And you can change what resolution you want, all the way up to high definition 1080p. You can also choose the encoder that you want to use. Now, the encoder varies between formats. For an example, here it says that I can use XVID, DIVX, and H.264. But if you were to change it, say, let's go to Windows Media Video, and if we were to check the encoder, notice that the encoders are different. So the encoder, some of this stuff do change according to what the output format's going to be. And again, you can change your bit rate. You can make it variable. You can choose the frame rate that you want to use. You can also choose the aspect ratio that you want to use, which you have 4:3, which is standard, and you have the 16:9, which is widescreen. I've never seen the 3720s or the 4720s. I think that deals with the PAL format, the PAL. Here you have your channel settings. You can choose the channels. This will depend on the video, what the video contains, and the format that you're going to use. You can choose what encoder you can use. As you can see here, it gives you different versions. Again, it will vary according to the format you want to convert to. You can choose your bit rates, your sample rates. You can choose if you want to keep the original volume, or if you want to decrease it, or increase it. Advanced settings. Here you can choose if you want to use the PAL format or NTSC. The NTSC is standard for North America and surrounding areas. PAL is used by the Europeans, overseas and other countries that use PAL. You can do subtitles. If the program or the DVD contains subtitles, then, or the movie that you're doing, it will allow you to choose what subtitles you want. And here it will also tell you what languages are available. Then you can de-interlace, which is not necessary. That's for older videos. And de-interlacing is for some monitors and stuff, because of the way the videos work. You can tinker with it to see if it makes an improvement or not. Merge into one file. What this does is all the videos that you have on the DVD, you can have it all converted into one single file, is what this will do. And that's all. I mean, this is all. This is basically just a DVD ripper. I do have other software that I'm going to introduce you to that you may be interested in too, which will do more than what this one would do. But that's it. This one here is made by WonderFox Soft Incorporated. It's called WonderFox DVD Ripper. You can find it on my website, and you can try it for free if you want. It will only allow you to do 15 minutes. It will not let you do a whole video. This will allow you to try your software, see if you like it, and if you do, you can still purchase the software. And the link to purchase the software, or if you want to get more details, is on my website at www.4-mrfixit.com/online-store/software. And you'll find the software that I'm going to show you here on YouTube. Well, I'm your host, Mr. Fixit. Thank you for watching.